Well, it's great that I'm an immigration paralegal now, so I feel like I actually do have more knowledge on that process. I mean, truthfully, the CPT and OPT are really not challenging to be able to get. I think the struggle that most international students face is like beyond OPT, which is pretty much guaranteed for most people. Like realistically, most people will be able to find OPT employment, but it's like beyond that, who is willing to like sponsor you can be a really difficult question. And so I know on my own path, I was at a private immigration law firm, which already like put me in a much better situated place to be able to receive sponsorship because that's what the attorneys did for a living. And even they said that like my case was really challenging, and they said that it would be really difficult under this current administration to show how immigration advocacy is like a valuable skill. It's a small firm, so I think we faced a lot of obstacles, and after they did their research, they actually realized that they weren't able to sponsor me. And I think and I was at an immigration law firm, you know? And so I think that like is testament to how challenging that process is. A lot of students are able to stay for the 1 or 3 years, depending on their major, and then it can be really difficult beyond that. And it's honestly, I think my advice is just like, there's a lot of like emotional care you have to give because you feel to yourself, because you feel like you're in limbo at that point and you're not able to make decisions. You're just hanging in limbo, waiting for some outcome to come back. And that can be really challenging to feel like you don't have the agency to choose what it is you want to do. And you're just sitting around waiting. Like I could get denied. I could pack up my things like in 3 weeks and have to leave this country. And I've like established roots here. And so you really have to like care for yourself through that process. And I think that it's really important to talk to international students who have graduated. And that was what really helped me navigate that process. I reached out to a lot of people who were seniors when I was a freshman and like asked them how they navigated the process. A lot of them weren't here anymore. And that's like the reality of it. But for the people who were and the people who left, it was really helpful to get their insight both on personal care for myself and just like legally how to navigate that process.